we have to complete the statement. We have proportion that 4 to 10 is equal to 2x. Then we have 10 plus 4 over 4. We have to find to which it is equal. At the beginning we have 4 to 10. And now we have 10, like 10 over 4. So first, what I will do, I will use property of proportion that two ratios are equal, then their reciprocals are also equal. So if 4 over 10 is equal 2 over x, then I take reciprocal, so it will be 10 over 4 is equal to x over 2 also. And what next? We have now here 10 plus 4. And we know from properties of proportion that when we add the value of each ratio's denominator to its numerator, then you form another true proportion. So what I have to do? To 10 over 4, we add denominator, so the same I have to do on the right side. Denominator we copy, and in numerator we have 2x add 2. This is also true proportion. 10 plus 4 is 14 over 4 is equal, and the right side we copy, x plus 2 over 2. This is also true proportion. This is my solution.